when I learned to use a puppet person like this, it was from a puppeteer, and that was so great as a teacher. Anyway, I'm going to teach you a couple of things that I learned. One thing is you're right there in front of the children and you talk to them in your puppet voice. You're the only person that touches this puppet. And so make sure you've got a special voice for this puppet. So he starts with the children, boys and girls, and I can move my mouth when I'm talking like I'm the puppet Terry. I move my mouth, don't worry. Boys and girls, I want to introduce you to another kindergarten student. His name is Terry. Hi, boys and girls, my name's Terry. And then I say, he's actually a puppet. He's a puppet person. I'll show you how he works. He has a hole in the back of his head, and I put my hand right inside there, and I move my hand open and close to make his mouth go. You'll see my mouth still moves. That helps him pretend that he's talking. His hand has a little pocket in the back. I can make him scratch his head. I can make him cry.